Welcome to the Beckman Institute training series for Sitefinity. In this lesson, we will be covering images in Sitefinity. Images are a fantastic way to engage your audience, and in Sitefinity are used in many other widgets. To upload images, we need to switch the view in Sitefinity. To do this, we need to click on the content menu in the nav bar. From the options presented, select Images. This will take us to the Image and Image Library admin screen. Image libraries are how images are organized. Keeping these libraries logically named will make using your images later easier. Let's create a new library for housing our research images. To do this, we will create a new library called Research. Click on the Create a Library button in the top right in the admin area. Give the library a name. In our case, we will call it Research. Click Create. The new library is now ready to store our images. Using our image library, we'll upload a new image. Click on the Research library, then click Upload Images. On the new screen that shows, click Upload Images from your computer. Find the image you would like to use, and click Open. If you need to upload multiple images, you can use the Control button and click on the additional images. Then click Open. In our case, we only need the one image. Click Upload and Publish, and when the image says Done, click Close. Our image is now ready to use, but there are some things we should check first. Click on the image we just uploaded. Look at the title of the image and make sure it makes sense. Next, look at the alternative text. This field should never be blank. This field is needed for site accessibility. This field should summarize the purpose of an image as succinctly as possible with no more than 10 words. For example, people just use their full name. Also, avoid using words, image, and picture. These are already stated by the accessibility software. For more examples, please see the description of this video for how to use alternative text with your images. After updating these fields, click Publish in the top right corner of the image. One further note with images. Please use high-quality images and try to avoid images with text on them. The text on an image is inaccessible, and poor quality images reflect on the quality of your site. Now let's add this image to our page. First, we'll need to head to the page admin screen. We will add the new image to our research page, so we'll click on the page title to open the page content editor screen. Now, we'll drag and drop the image widget from the widget pane into our main content area. Once this is in place, we'll click the Edit menu on the image widget we just put in place. This will bring up the image selection screen. If you don't see your image in the recent area, click on All Libraries, and then look in the library where you uploaded the image. Once found, click on the image, and click Done Selecting. If you have not set a title or alternative text for the image, you can set one now. Otherwise, just click Save. If you wish to look at the page before you publish it, then you can click on the Preview link in the middle of the Page Admin nav bar. If you wish to make this public, click Publish. Or you can save it for draft for later. Images are a great way to engage people on your site, but they need to be high-quality images and meet web accessibility guidelines properly.